Hello, Mrs. Conger again here. Now that you have searched the Destiny catalog for your Lexile, you're going to want to make a list of the books that you find so that you can go back to that list to check out the book after you finish the book that you've chosen for today. So you're going to go back to your list and you're going to look down the list and you're going to want to put books that we have in our library into your list. You simply make sure that up here on the top, the selected list says My Personal List, and then you look for books down the right-hand side that say Available Locally. Available locally means that these books are available in the Wissahickon Middle School Library. So you're going to click Add to this list. It automatically will add this book to your personal list, and then you can move on down to the next one. These do not have any local copies, so I am going to scroll down. If you see something with an E, this says Shelter Dogs Amazing Stories of Adopted Stray ebook. If you see an E, that means it is an ebook, and you can open it right here from the library catalog. You can click Add to this list, and you can then read that book later, and you can read it right from your browser. Okay, so we have some more books that have no local copies. This one does, so I'm going to add it to my list. As you notice, as you add books to your list, they then become the top one on that list. Okay, so this one has no local copies. We're going to go down and continue going down. And then we're going to have to go down here and click on either the next page or click Show All. If I click Show All the books in that Lexile will Here, let me do this so you can see what I'm talking about. Click Show All, and then it'll take a while, but Destiny will bring up all of the dog books in your Lexile. Okay, so we already went through some of these. A lot of them are already in our list. We're going to keep scrolling, scrolling, scrolling till we get to some that are not in our list, but we do have local copies of them. All right, this one, White Fang, we do have. We also have Sounder. We're going to click Add to this list. Then Sounder will go up to the top. Then we're going to add White Fang. We're going to add White Fang Adapted. We're going to click again Edge of Nowhere because we have that book. Trouble the Water. Okay, then we come to Daughter of the Mountain, and we're going to click that one. And I'm going to just add a couple more. We're going to add Listen and Old Yeller. Old Yeller. Okay, and then, oh, look, there was another one, Savage Sam. What happened to him? There he is. We're going to add that one. Okay, now we have a few books in our list, and what we're going to do is we're going to scroll all the way up to the back to the top, and down on the left-hand side you will notice a link that a tab that says Resource Lists. If I click on Resource Lists, you're going to see a whole bunch of lists in mine that you do not have in yours, but I'm going to scroll down to My Personal List, and I'm going to click View. When I click that, you'll see that these are all the books that I just looked at, and they're all in my list. I have several options now. I can make a printable list. So if you want to do that, you can print the list, and then you can keep it in your notebook or keep it wherever, and you can see that those books are in right now, but know that when you come back, they may not be in. So if you want to take out one today, you make sure that it's in before you take it out. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into my personal list. Notice it when I made that list, it added a new tab at the top. So I have both tabs open now, but I'm going to go back to my personal list because I'm going to show you some magic. Down here at the bottom of the page, it says citation list, and the word go. If I click go, every single book that is in this list will be in perfect alphabetical order in a perfect citation list. I'm going to click go, and there's my list. All I have to do is copy it and paste it into Word, and I can use it without doing anything else. Enjoy.